What are Git merge conflicts?
Git merge conflicts happen when changes from different sources overlap or contradict each other in your project files. This usually occurs when two people edit the same line of code or when changes are made in the same area of a file, and Git can't automatically decide which version to keep.
Why do merge conflicts occur?
Conflicts arise because Git uses branches to manage multiple versions of a project. When branches are merged, Git tries to combine changes automatically. If it finds changes that can't be merged on its own, it identifies a conflict. This ensures important edits aren't lost or overwritten.
How to recognize a merge conflict?
When a conflict happens, Git stops the merge and marks the files with special symbols. You'll see markers like XY and XY around the conflicting code. These markers show you which code came from which branch, making it clear where decisions need to be made.
Simple steps to fix merge conflicts.
First, open the affected files and look for the conflict markers. Decide which changes to keep, or merge them manually if needed. Remove the markers and save the file. After that, use git add to stage the resolved files, then git commit to complete the merge process.
Tips to prevent future conflicts.
To avoid frequent conflicts, communicate regularly with your team and pull the latest changes before starting new work. Keep your branches up to date by merging or rebasing often. Making smaller, frequent commits also helps keep conflicts minimal and easier to resolve.